I wanted to talk about the Lifewit lunchbox. I was scanning Amazon for a new lunchbox and this one caught my eye mainly because of the size of it and the fact that it has the small carry handles here that velcros close, as well as a shoulder strap, which I liked. In case my children want to carry it like a traditional lunchbox or want to sling it over their shoulder just like with their backpack. And I like the fact that it was such a good size that I could fit enough in here for lunch and for snacks, especially for my teenager who's in sports, who's gonna need snacks for later, plus her regular lunch. So I actually went ahead and bought 2 of these and I absolutely love it. I think it's great quality. The inside is insulated, of course, and it's real deep. On top of the fact that it has a small pouch in the front here, and the side has the spot where you could put the drinks. So I do like, you know, water, Gatorade, whatever on the side, or even just like a piece of gum or a piece of candy for them. It does have the double zipper, so it zips from both sides. And you can always just take the shoulder straps off if you don't want to utilize those. I think it's a great lunchbox. I love the size and I love the quality of it.